In Pixabay, you can find openly licensed video, music, and sound effects. We will start by finding a video clip. You can browse the most recently recommended videos by scrolling down the page. If you see something that's inspiring but not exactly what you are looking for, you can click on the tags to find similar videos. You can continue to browse and use the tags to do a visual search, and you can also search by keyword in the search bar at the top of the page. I'm going to look for a video of a cat playing, so I'll type cat playing. Once I find something that looks interesting, I can click on the video to see more details, including how long the video is. Most of the videos in Pixabay and similar sites will be 15 to 90 seconds long, so enough time for some fun B-roll or establishing shots. Or I can combine clips to create a sort of visual collage. Click on the download button to download a video. You don't need an account to download the 1080p HD video, but you will need an account to download higher resolution videos. If you don't want to create your own account, you can use your Cal Poly Humboldt Google account. For this SkillShop, the 1080p version is great, so I will not be logging in. When I click download, a pop-up window will open with the attribution information I need to give the video creator credit. I can copy and paste this into a document to use later. Next, I'm going to find a song to go with my cat video. Even though music is not a visual medium, I can browse and look at the waveforms of the songs to see if the music volume or composition is loud, quiet, swells, or has a consistent, strong beat. But I'll need to spend some time listening to get a good feel for what each song sounds like. By clicking on the waveform, I can listen to the song play, and I can skip around to hear specific sections. Using the tags at the top of the list of songs, I can search for specific genres like cinematic or instrumental music. I can also search by keyword. I'll try cat to see if something will match my video. This song has kind of a silly and fun quality to it that will work with the playful cat in the video. Again, I can click on the name of the song to see the details and the download button. And again, I'll want to copy and paste the attribution information so that I can use it later. And finally, I will look for a sound effect to go with the video I found. Some videos may already have audio, but some will not. Since my video was shot in the grass, I'll search for a sound recording of a field using the search bar. I can view waveforms and preview the sound effects just as I did with the songs. If I click on the title, I can see the details. But I can also just click on the download button to skip a step, and I'll still get the attribution information I need.